Question 3. There are 48 counters in a bag. There are only red counters and blue counters in the bag. The number of red counters to the ratio of the blue counters is 1 to 2. So let's just highlight something here. So red counters is the 1 and blue counters is your 2. Helen has to work out how many red counters are in the bag. She says there are 24 red counters in the bag because 1 is half of 2 and 24 is half of 48. Is Helen correct? You must give a reason for your answer. All right, where do we begin? Well, usually with ratio questions, we usually add these, so we can do that. So that's 1 plus 2, which is 3 parts. Now, what's she saying? She's saying that there are 24 counters in the bag because 1 is half of 2 and 24 is half of 48. Now, look, let's just take it from the top. We know that there are 48 counters in the bag, right? So if we divide 48 into 3 parts, what is that? 48 divided by 3 is 16. So we have 16 counters in each part, all right? Let's just forget what she says. Let's just try to divide it in our ratio. So we're going to have red and blue counters. We know that red is one of the parts and blue is 2 of the parts. So for red, we are going to do 16 times by 1, which is 16. So that would be 16 counters there. And for the blue, we are going to do something similar. We're going to do 16 times by 2 parts because blue is worth 2 parts. And 16 times by 2 is 32. So the ratio is 16 to 32. Now, we clearly know that there are 16 red counters, not 24. And there are 32 blue counters, but it's more about the red anyway. So is she correct? No, because there are 16 red counters, not 24. Okay, not correct. There are 16 red counters, not 24. Okay, whatever her justification is, sometimes you can just ignore that and just work out what the correct answer is.